Welcome to the workshop at the Concord Free Public Library. My name is Christy, and I'm here today to show you how to safely operate the workshop's electric scissors. Let's start with the safety notes. This tool has sharp blades that can cause serious injury if handled improperly. Always keep your hands out of the path of the tool and never put your fingers near the blades while it is connected to power. In case of injury, immediately call 911 and notify staff. A first aid kit is also available at the workshop's front desk in case of an emergency. Okay, let's get making. This tool uses a rechargeable battery system, so along with the tool itself, you'll receive a rechargeable battery and an adapter. To assemble the power hub, just slide the adapter onto your battery until you hear a click. Now you can plug the electric scissors into the power hub by connecting the cable to the socket at the base of the tool. When you're ready to start making, press the power button on the top of the power hub. Hold down the safety on the side of the tool, then squeeze the trigger to begin cutting. To prevent damage to the tool, it should only be used to cut fabric, paper, chipboard, and similar weight materials. Stop using the tool immediately if you notice any grinding or sticking in the motor. When you're finished, turn the tool off and disconnect it from the power hub. Press the release button on the battery to separate it from the adapter before returning it to staff. Congratulations, you're now a trained maker. If you want to learn more about everything our electric scissors can do, you can find the complete manual on our website at cfpl.info/scissorsmanual or visit works.com for more information and tutorials direct from the manufacturer. The workshop is made possible by the generous support of the Concord Free Public Library Corporation, a nonprofit organization supported by makers like you. Learn more about all the corporation does to make our library awesome and how you can help at cfpl.info. And if you just can't get enough making, be sure to check out the workshop's full library of maker tools and upcoming classes and events at cfpl.info/workshop. Bye-bye.